What's up, YouTube? What's up, spiritual community? It's amazing outside today. So I kind of did a few new things to this video just to just be a little more creative. I was writing one day and I came up with this method, right? Because there's a lot going on right now. We're dealing with the corona. I won't even say that. We're dealing with the C virus. We're dealing with the protest due to police brutalities, which my prayers go out to everyone suffering from that. And there's just so much going on in the world right now, and really it's just to distract us from working on ourselves. There's over a million things to worry about in this world, in this lifetime. But there's also even more to be thankful for. Hey, be thankful for this grass. Be thankful for the trees behind us. Be thankful for the sun, Also practicing some sun gazing. And so that meditation in the beginning was just for everyone going through a battle, going through a storm right now. Showing my appreciation, showing my gratitude, and just pushing out as much positivity and love as I can. However, so I came up with this method, and it's called the letter to the blank-year-old me. So with this method, think about, okay, so the age you are now, whether you're 15 watching this, 45, 60, whatever age you are right now watching this video, think of an age where you feel like you experienced the most corruption in your life. Or think of an age that you were introduced to everything, when you were introduced to reality, when you were introduced to the dark side of life. Just think of an age. And so, being in my early mid-20s, I picked the age 13. And I specifically picked the age 13 because I thought about, my toddler ages, right? From birth all the way to about 12. I went through what I went through in those ages. But going into my teens, which I feel like, because some people may have experienced far more traumatic or dramatic experiences before the age of 13. And that's unfortunate. However, me personally, I picked 13 because 13 for me was a time of learning how to really gain friends into my life. It was a time where of course, we got to be a bit easy on ourselves at this age, going through hormone phases, going through growing spurts, men and women. And so I really just sat back and just said, you know what, if I could pick a year, like the person I am now, the LC today, if I can go back and tell 13-year-old LC, or give 13-year-old LC some great advice, I would tell him, forgive yourself before asking everyone else for forgiveness. I would tell him, be true to yourself so you can learn to be true to others. I would tell him, always be yourself no matter the circumstances. And of course, through life learned experiences and, bumping my head every now and then and making some not so good judgments, we all fall short of things, but I just kind of wanted to take a different approach with this video. So if you're someone right now looking for a different coping mechanism to overcome the stress that the world is experiencing right now, and or just, if you're going through a depression, severe anxiety, paranoia, anything that's negative in your life right now, if you are looking for a new, healthier method, how you doing? Try writing a letter to yourself. If you want to write a letter to the age you are now, go for it. It's all about being able to look back at the old you and then being in the present moment and being able to say, I am very proud of who I'm becoming. I am proud that I am overcoming all of my setbacks. And so I just wanted to shed some light on that today. Just write, guys. Just write your thoughts out. I've been really analyzing myself, and also just isolating myself, and just dealing with myself. I haven't been running away from myself lately, and it's a lot of pressure. It's a lot of battling within, with the ego and the spirit. Because if you ask me, I feel like the ego is the mind. It's just like your mind can tell you all type of things. So you have to really learn how to conquer your mind. But yeah, guys, I hope you all are doing great today. Continue loving yourself, like I always say. If you take nothing else from this video, whoever you are, wherever you are, continue loving yourself. It's the LC Male, guys. Life and waves are alike. They never stop. Hold on.